Next video clip of detailed structure of respiratory system of human being. In human being, this system it consists of various parts. First, nose, nasal cavity, nasal openings. Nose is the external organ which is involved in trapping air. This air further enter by the means of two openings, which are the nasal openings. Inside this nose there is nasal cavity that is connected with the glottis and epiglottis. Glottis is the way which leads to the larynx. Epiglottis is the flap-like structure which prevents the entry of food particle when we breathe in. When air is inhaled by us, that air further rushes towards the pipe-like structure. This pipe-like structure, which is called the trachea, is formed of rings of cartilage. Cartilage is flexible in nature. That is why during exchange of gases, the cartilages do not collapse. This pipe or the trachea, which is the windpipe, is further divided into two pipes, which are called the bronchi. These bronchi finally enter in lungs. Lungs are two in number, that is situated in thoracic cavity or the chest cavity, and inside it, that is spongy pink red in color, two in number. Lungs are the major organ in human being for the gaseous exchange. Inside this lung, the bronchi further divided into fine branches. These branches are called the bronchioles. These bronchioles finally enter in balloon-shaped structure, which is the alveoli. These alveoli are millions in number, balloon-shaped structure, and that is provided by blood capillaries, and it is the actual site of gaseous exchange. Below this structure there is a thick muscular sheet called the diaphragm. This diaphragm is not connected with the respiratory system, that is in between the abdominal cavity and the thoracic cavity. This diaphragm also play an important role in gaseous exchange in inhalation and exhalation. And upon the lungs there is a cover called membranous cover called pleura. This pleura, and in between the upper membranous structure of lung, there is a fluid called the pleural fluid. This fluid help in lungs for the external mechanical shock. These all are about the respiratory system of human being. Main role is played by alveoli, which is the actual site of gaseous exchange. Thanks.